Hello guys, I just want to point out right now my windshield wipers are freaking horrible. I'm not sure if you'd be able to tell. So, yeah, you can kind of see it. There's like this ugly smudge. I'm going to replace my windshield wipers. So, driving to AutoZone right now, and I'll show you guys a quick tutorial. And since I'm broke, I'm only going to replace one, because these are freaking old, and I don't really care so much about the passenger side, so I'll be fine. Because, yeah. Alright, so, we got the windshield wiper. Trying to replace my old rusty ass one, but unfortunately the damn bolt stripped. I'm not sure how clear you can see that, but that shit's stripped. There's another screw here which I was able to take off, but this one ain't giving up. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grind that bitch off, work it a little, take it out. Alright, so finally done. Screwed on. Hopefully it works right. Yeah, hopefully. And this rusty shell is done with. Alright, with my new wipers installed, you should be able to see the difference between my left side and the right side. Ooh, look at it. Okay, it looks the same, but it's more messed up on the right side, I can assure you. See how it like cleared up? This side's still blurry.